All right, I want to show you a little more about the branding and how that works and the different areas you're going to see. Um, First of all, this is the screen people see after the meeting ends. So when you, as the host, end a meeting, uh, everyone in the meeting will be taken to the final screen, which is the logo. Thanks for joining, the colors, etc. So just again reinforcing the brand and the feel of the platform. But let me show you how that all gets updated. Actually, one more thing. Here's another room with a different branding, and it just shows you can pretty much change the colors, logo, etc., to whatever you like, whatever fits. You can go with a dark theme, a light theme, with the switch. Also, just for fun, you can click on settings, and if you hit the theme, you can actually change themes in the middle of a meeting if you wanted to. Not that you would need to do that, but you could do that. All right, so when you're logged into your account and you go to rooms, you can create as many rooms as you want for different brands that you have. Maybe you just have one and that's fine. You don't need multiple. Or maybe you want a room that's more for training purposes that you invite your coaches to be a part of, and you have a separate room for other meetings, et cetera, however you want to use it. And then if I click on, let's go into this one that I just set up. You'll see you can give the name whatever you like. Oops. Type right now. And you can give the URL, whatever room name you want as well, as long as it's not taken. If it is taken by chance, it will automatically append a number to make it unique. The description is really currently only used in your own for your own view right now. That may be exposed at another point, but right now you're the only one that can see it. You can optionally give a password to your room. You can change how people enter the room. I think the defaulter should be host approval, meaning anyone that goes into your room is going to have to be approved by the host. Here's where you edit all the themes and colors. So if I expand this, so if there's a template set up, currently don't have any, but maybe if you're part of a larger organization, I can actually set up a template to make it easy where you just select it from the drop down and you don't have to set anything. But you have full control. You can upload your own image, change the theme from dark to light settings. You can, of course, set the header colors, all that sort of thing. Now, once you upload your logo, the default colors that become available to you are going to match the primary colors from your logo. So this logo up here really only has two colors, maybe three if you count white, green and gray. So the green and gray will be available automatically to select from, just to kind of make things faster and easier to get set up. You can choose a primary color. Now you need to make sure your primary is different from your background color so that it's differentiated in buttons and things. So sometimes, let's say, in this case, okay, we're using this color for, what you can do is you can, for the background color, I like to go a little darker. And so the starting point could be the color that's from the logo, but if you just do something like drag straight down, you're going to get a similar color, but just darker. And set that and click away, and now that's your background color. And then, of course, down here is where you can set your profile settings, name, your title, a short description if you like, phone number and email address. Save that, and then that all is reflected in the room. So if I go back up, click on the link here, it's going to take me into this room. So that's a way to get into your room there. Of course, you can just go straight to the URL. And then if I go to my list of rooms here, I can just click on join. That's going to take me to the same place. Now, if you ever come into the room here and you're not logged in, you'll have a login option. You just log in into your email and password. and log in, and then you'll be able to join as a host. All right, so that's a quick tour of the inside of the branding. Thanks.